It was so early. Oh
All of
my
California,
God.
all of Colorado, all of Idaho.
It's a nationwide test.
All of Montana.
It's the first time I've got a primary entry
All
point
of
system.
North Dakota.
It's all of the United States. Why didn't they just put that? Wow.
No, I think it's just more of the West Coast.
All of South Dakota. All of...
This is a national test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. Broadcast and cable operators in your area have developed this system in voluntary cooperation with FEMA, the FCC, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this national test of the emergency alert system.
So it's national. That's what I was going to get on September. But obviously it came today.
So I don't have to do it in September.
Now you know.
Cool.
Wow.